Look at this problem. Implement the following Boolean function using 4:1 multiplexer. So 4:1 multiplexer means you are supposed to construct or you are supposed to implement the Boolean function using 4:1 multiplexer. 4:1 means you are supposed to have 4 data inputs and 2 control inputs, 1 output. That should comes to your mind, okay? And making C and D as selection lines S0 and S1. You are supposed to make C and D as selection lines. So means C and D are the control inputs for 4:1. As I just told, 4:1 multiplexer will be having 2 control inputs, 4 data inputs, 4 control inputs. So 4 data inputs, 2 control inputs. So which are the 2 control inputs you are supposed to make? C and D are the 2 selection lines or control inputs. Both are one and the same. You are supposed to make C and D are the control inputs. If you want to make C and D as the control inputs, so which are the map entered variables now? So look at the expression first. F of A, B, C, D is equal to summation of. So F of A, B, C, D means the given expression is in the form of 16:1. We have 4 variables. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So the given expression is in the form of 16:1. So for the problems which we have solved, they were asking 16. They were giving the expression. They were giving the Boolean expression in 16:1. Then they were asked to convert to 8:1. So 4 variables to 3 variables. So for what we have solved, or 3 variables to 2 variables. Given expression is in the 8:1 and they are asked to convert to 4:1. So but here they are asked to convert 16:1 multiplexer to 4:1. 4 variables to 2 variables. Okay, you need to reduce 2 variables now. So for whichever problems we have solved, we are just reducing 1 variable, 16:1 to 8:1 or 8:1 to 4:1 we solved so far. But here we are solving 16:1 multiplexers to 4:1, converting 8:1, converting 4 variables to 2 variables. So what you are supposed to do? So they have clearly specified you are supposed to make C and D as the map entered variables. So you are not supposed to C and D as the control input. So you are not supposed to make C and D as map entered variables. So you are not supposed to make you are not supposed to write C and D as the last column. At any cost you are not supposed to write C and D at the last column. You are supposed to write either B or A at the last column. Okay. So for what I am going to do is, first I am going to convert this 16:1 problem, 16:1 multiplexers to 8:1. First I will convert to 8:1. Later we will convert it to 4:1. Okay. So as usual, B, C, D, A value is 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 to the power of 0 is 1. So as it is, I have written. Okay. So once you done with writing the things like B, C, D, A, because I made A as map entered variable, you are not supposed to make C and D as map entered variables. So I made A as map entered variable. So the given midterms like 1. So this is 1, this is 0, right? So 0 they are given. So 0 is here. So I written 1. So 1 they are given. Where is 1? This is 8. This is 1. So I written 1 like this. 2, where is 2? 2 is here. So this is 2. Okay. This is 2. This is 1. Where is 1? 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Here it is 1. So I wrote it on 1. So like this you are supposed to write the ones and the remaining should be filled with zeros. So like 0, 1, 1, 0. So I written A bar like reverse. 0, 1 and 1 I written 1. So 0, 1, 1, 0 A bar. 0, 0 I written 0. 1, 1 I written 1. 0, 0 I written 0. 1, 1 I written 1. 0, 0 I written 0. So we have got these like A bar 1, A bar 0 and 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. So these are the things which we have got now. So we have 8 data inputs now, but they are asked to construct the circuit which is having 4:1 multiplexer. But by using this we can construct 8:1 multiplexer, but we need to construct by using 4:1 multiplexer. So what you are supposed to use, rather than going with one 8:1 multiplexer, I am going to make use of 2 4:1 multiplexer. So this is 4:1 and 4:1. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4:1 we have 4 data inputs, 2 control inputs. Here also 4 data inputs, 2 control inputs. Both have the selection like CD, CD. In the question they haven't specified. You're supposed to make CD as the selection lines. So I made CD as the selection lines. The output are connected to an OR gate, that is all out. Okay. So as I made A as map entered variables, I have written A and this will be A bar. So what is 0, what is 1, what is 2, what is 3? This is A bar and A bar. So this should be connected to A bar. This should be connected to VCC, right? 1 should be connected to VCC, 2 should be connected to A bar again. What is 0, 1? This should be connected to ground. 3 is 0. 3 is 0, so connected to ground. What is 4, 5, 6? This is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. 1, 0, 1, 0, right? This should be connected to 1. This should be connected to 0. This should be connected to 1, and this should be connected to 0. So that's it. But we have left with one more variable. You know which variable we have missed? CD are the control inputs, A is the map entered variable. What about B then? So B, what you're supposed to do is B should be written like this, and write a NOT gate and connect it to this gate and name it as enable. Not 5, okay, not 5. Okay. B should be connected to a lower multiplexer and this B bar should be connected to upper multiplexer. So why B should be connected to lower multiplexer and B bar should be connected to upper multiplexer? Both should be named as enable. Enable and enable. B bar should be connected to upper multiplexer, B should be connected to lower multiplexer. If it is 1, when B is active, so this will be converted to 0. So this will be 1, right? Yes or no? When B is on, means B is on means when B is 1, so this NOT gate will be converted to 0. So 0 upper gate, 1 lower gate. So 0 means low. Look at this table. Look at this table. We have zeros, half of this table having zeros in the upper multiplexer and 1 in the lower multiplexer. So whenever B is 0, it will activate upper multiplexer. Whenever B is 1, it will activate lower multiplexer. Both should be connected to OR gate. This is how you are supposed to convert 16:1 to 4:1.